Hey, what's up guys, my name's Jay, we're back with another YouTube video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So I'm making a vlog today. I'm actually at work right now. I'm cleaning a Tesla for the first time. I've never drove one. Today was the first time me driving this thing. Deadass, it took me like 20 minutes to figure out how to work this thing, but it's sexy as hell, so yeah, look at that thing. So this is what I'm gonna detail today. Hey. Well, now I'm locked out of it, and the key's in it. Let me check. What the hell? Oh shit. Okay, well, I got the spare key. Look how cool the key is. Let's see if it opens now. Okay, I'll get back to you when I open it. Well, the car wash is down now because of me, so I guess I'm just gonna go to lunch. So the Tesla is still stuck in the car wash, and actually the vacuum's turned off. So I left to go to get some lunch. I am at Pancheros. Damn, look how big this burrito is, though. Mad good. It's okay. It's way later now, since.
Start it over, I'll hold it for you.
Oh, you wanna hold it for us?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. We got our own professional cameraman. There you go. Alright, ready? Hey guys. Thank you. Oh.
I didn't do it right, did I?
Alright, so it's like way later now. It's probably like 9 o'clock now. And Raul and I are out at Wingstop eating. This is my first time ever. This is your first time ever eating here too. So it's both of our first times ever eating here. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the food really quick. Hey, look at that. Yeah, so we're actually going to eat, and then we're gonna go to Big Wigs. And I actually work at that bar, so we're gonna go to that bar really quick. It's karaoke night. We're gonna stop in, say hi, and then I think we're gonna watch a movie tonight. You know what movie yet?
It's sequel of Magic Mike, but I don't know the title.
Oh, we're actually gonna see Magic Mike this time?
Oh no. Puss in Boots.
Alright, so yeah, alright, so now we're gonna eat. I'm gonna show you guys me eating for one. You wanna feed me? Here, use this one. Ooh, I like my ranch. Oh, let me try it. Oh, that's the first time trying this one. Oh, we don't put it in the ranch.
You got ranch over there. You'll mess it.
All right, we are at the bar now. I work at this bar. I literally sit there. And now we're here for karaoke night. But they're running a little late, so karaoke hasn't started. So, yeah. So, yeah, just waiting for karaoke now. All right, I'm going to show you around a little bit. What?
What are you recording right now?
I'm recording my YouTube.
Turn that goddamn camera off. I didn't consent to have my video taken.
I'll put something on top of your face.
You're violating my First Amendment rights. No, what's that? You're violating my civil rights. I think I have.
This is where we're gonna do the karaoke in here. That's Coco. What? Yeah, we're vlogging. Hey, there's Sissy. The main bitch right there. Hey, Sissy, what's up? What do you want to say? You want to shout out? You want to do something?
This is all I got.
Hey, well, I'll record her singing. She's a good singer. And a dancer. She's everything. Singer, dancer, painter, artist, everything in one.
Wow, I was not expecting the amount of compliments. Slay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
GROSS.com.org. Hashtag, what the fuck is this video for?
It's my YouTube channel.
What you have any followers?
12,000.
12? What?
Yeah.
There's 12,000 people in the world who give a fuck?
Yeah.
That's so
I think
nice.
you need to be in it more. You're funny, you know. You can
Oh
really
really?
yeah.
Am I funny?
Yeah.
Fuck you. Is he putting all
Yeah, I'm
this
putting
in?
everything in.
Just make sure you completely blur my face and maybe put boobs over my boobs. Or they're supposed to be. So there's real big titties and no
Okay,
face.
we'll see.
Instead of blurring my face, can you put like one of those gimp masks on so all you see is like my mouth and it's just a mask?
You always fold just before you're found out. Drinks up inside colors, soy, but those friends are taking out. I do for your little heart down, and I don't want to get rid of them. You put them all out, so right there, don't need them just to get by. Why don't you show me a little bit of spark? You've been saving for his mattering. Distance with all it.
All right, guys, we are back home. We didn't go to the movies because we stayed at the bar too late because it was karaoke night. That's my favorite night. I don't sing. I actually was like really planning on singing, but the thing is, like, I don't mind the singing part. Like, I'm not a good singer, but I don't think I'm a terrible singer. You know, I'm more like a better rapper. You know, like I can rap like something, like a little bit. You feel me? Shut your mouth, bitch. But my thing is like I have a fear of like reading in front of people because I'm a pretty slow reader and like I'm gonna have to kind of read a little bit. I don't know. That's it. But I'll get comfortable. You know, I worked there, so the more I go there, hang out, the more I'll get comfortable. Because everyone there is usually regulars. So yeah. So one day, that's my goal this year is to karaoke there on Wednesday. So we'll see. But yeah, we didn't go to the movies again 2 days in a row. But I like going to the bar karaoke. So yeah. All right. It's bedtime now. Stella, say goodnight. All right. Love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to check out the description below because I got a lot of 10% discount links down there and below for FTM prosthetic sites. So yeah.